If you love Ofada rice, then you need this Ayamase sauce in your life. Now come closer, let me show you how to make the easiest Ayamase sauce that tastes so delicious and your whole family will enjoy this. This is my protein. This is cow beef and cow intestine. It comprises of the shakri, the ring, the pokoto, all of that good stuff. Next, you'll be needing your peppers, all kind of green peppers you can lay your hands on. For your ayamase sauce, you don't need tomatoes, so you need all kind of green peppers. This is green bay pepper. You can also make use of cayenne pepper. Then you can use your scotch bonnet pepper. This is scotch bonnet pepper, the green one, unripened scotch bonnet. Then you need lots of onions in this recipe because you need the onions to neutralize the hotness, that's the spiciness of the peppers. So next, you want to season your beef. You want to season your proteins. Now add your chopped onions. Next, you want to add your seasoning. Make sure you do not add too much seasoning to this. This is my all-purpose seasoning. Next, I'll be adding bouillon cubes. You don't need all that Korean thyme in this because this is a local dish and you don't need all of that. So next, you want to take it straight to your stovetop and allow that to come to a boil. So while that is boiling, you want to blend your clean peppers and onions, and I'm going to blend mine in my blender. If you have a food processor, please by all means use that to blend this, but I don't have. I'm making do with what I have, and I'm going to blend this in such a way that it's going to be rough. So if you don't have a food processor, don't be intimidated. You can still make your ayamase sauce or your ayamase stew. You can still make it. Next, I'm going to add crayfish to this. Cover and blend. Make sure you don't blend it very smooth. If you are using your blender, it should not be smooth. It needs to be rough. So this is my proteins. They are ready. It is already cooked. So next, I'm going to fry. In a pot, add your palm oil like so and allow this to bleach just a little bit. You still want to retain some goodness in your palm oil. Now you want to add your proteins to the oil and allow this to fry. To get all the deliciousness from your protein, you need to fry it like so. In the same oil you are going to use to fry your sauce. That way you are going to get a perfect ayamase sauce that will taste so delicious. When your proteins changes in color, that's your meat, they change in color. Know that they are dried and it is time to take it out from the oil. So next, you want to fry with the same oil you used to fry your meat, and you want to add your onions to this. If you have your eru at this point, you want to add your eru first. That's your locust beans. You want to add it before you add your onions. But if you are not using that, like I'm not using that in this recipe, you want to add your onions like that and add your peppers. Fry them like so. My love, if you are still with me up until now, this is the perfect time for you to hit on that subscribe button. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Subscription is free, you're not charged for it. Please subscribe, and if you find this video helpful, please take a moment and give the video a thumbs up so that the video will be pushed to others who might also find it helpful. Thank you so much. Next, you want to add all your proteins. At this point, if you have fish, you can add that. Anything you have, you can add it to your ayamase sauce. If it is your prawns, if it is snail, anything at all, any seafood, anything at all you have that you feel like adding, you can add it. Now I'm going to add water to it. Next, I'm going to add my crayfish, big dry crayfish. That is what I'm adding to it. So at this point, I'm going to add eggs. What is ayamase sauce without your eggs? So I'm going to add eggs, and I'm adding it at this stage because I want the sauce to taste inside the egg. It has a very unique taste, delicious taste to the eggs when the stew penetrates inside. So that's why I'm doing this early, and I'm pushing it inside so that the stew can penetrate before I drop it. So next, you want to season with your bouillon cubes. Finally, you want to add your salt to taste and give everything a good mix to be well incorporated or to be well combined. And know that this is just like preparing your regular stew. It is not difficult. Do not forget to taste this to make sure everything is on point. If your salt is not enough, you can add more, just according to the way you like it. And voila, our Ayamase sauce is ready. Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Faith Uche and I will see you in the next one. Lots of kisses. Bye for now. Mwah!